breath, breathe. In this lesson, we are going to learn the difference between breath and breathe. Breath. This is a noun, and it refers to the air that goes into and out of the lungs. So, this is the cycle of breathing. For example, a side effect of the medication was shortness of breath. Another example is, I ran out of breath after running. Breathe. Breathe is a verb, and it refers to the process or the act of inhaling air into the lungs and exhaling air out of the lungs. For example, breathe in slowly through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. We breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide.